Dr. Kalani Brady. So not only do we have our love of Cirque du Soleil, we also have viewer medical questions every Thursday. We love doing this because it's our chance to really help out. It's a service that you're able to provide for us here on Wake Up Today.
My pleasure.
All right, Dr. Brady, let's get right to it. We've got a dad who called in and says, I have 2 young girls who are overweight and they've got really dark necks. Wants to know what it is and says it's not the sun.
Okay, one of the most common causes is a fancy named condition called acanthosis nigricans. It can occur at the base of the legs, it can occur under the arms, it can occur on the neck, and it's usually associated with sugar metabolism. Pre-diabetics and diabetics frequently have this acanthosis nigricans. So sun avoidance doesn't help. Better control of sugar probably would help.
And maybe see your general practitioner.
Yep.
Get a plan formulated.
Get a plan of health.
Yeah. Let's see. Got a gentleman who called in and says that I had a stroke 1.5 years ago and my left side has an uncomfortable feeling when brushed. Will it ever come back to normal?
Unfortunately, if it's been 1.5 years, it's unlikely. And this is one of the problems with strokes. Fortunately, most people live with them, but unfortunately, they suffer with them for life, most people. They usually have some deficit, either weakness of an entire side of the body or inability to speak or something like that. So the message here is that we need to control blood pressure tightly and avoid heart attacks and strokes by control of blood pressure. And for that matter, end-stage kidney disease, which is affected by blood pressure as well.
A woman from Kauai called and said, I'm having some problems on the lid of the eye. Her doctor says it's a pimple. What is that?
Well, probably the pimple is a lay term. It could be a hordeolum, which is a collection of grit and oil in the lid of the eye at the point where the eyelashes come out. It usually responds to warm packs on a regular basis over the course of several days. Occasionally, if it looks infected, the doctor will add an eye drop that's an antibiotic eye drop or even an antibiotic ointment. But those things will usually resolve on their own.
And actually, a warm compress on the eye, actually feels really good.
It does feel good,
feels
especially
nice.
If it's irritated. And
it's just a little pampering or something. Dr. Brady, thank you very much. Be back next Thursday?
Absolutely.
Dr. Brady, every Thursday. We appreciate it.